So we have some STEM kits to deliver for you.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
This is fantastic.
We had a recent employee event where our employees assembled these. So all the supplies are in here for the students to assemble an ambulance and to get them interested in healthcare at a young age. So our employees recently attended a Power of One employee event where we tried to get them hands-on involved in making these STEM kits that we could deliver to local elementary schools.
Ambulance balloon racers.
2 of them did, and then this year. Fantastic. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it.
Of course.
We are so appreciative to community sponsors and community partners who think of us and our students here at Northeast Elementary, because we always want to be able to give our students more, and especially in the area of science and technology, engineering and math. Those are the things that we need to continue to add to our programs. We do a lot with reading and math, but this gives us extra. It gives us a way to address those content areas and get kids super excited about those content areas for future and for right now, because these are the things that kids can get really excited about.
We always look for ways to give back to our communities, and this was a really special way that our employees could get involved in doing that and have each employee assemble a kit themselves.
We're really grateful for this opportunity to receive these and have our students get excited about science, technology, engineering, and math.